We are going to guide you on the control box setup. Let's take a look at the accessories first. These are the cables, the control box, control screen, and here are the LED light that have been put up. The black cable is connected to the screen. Plug in the white power cable. Then the entire system will start up in a moment. Next, we set up the wiring. Attach one end of the internet cable to the control box. Tighten the cap. Connect the other end to the light. Also tighten the cap. Then we connect the power cord. We can see there is a buckle here. Here's a buckle too. The two goes together. Next, we'll power up the light. Let's take a look at the control panel. First, we'll search for it. There it is. After we've found the light, we can make sure whether is this the right one. It will flash for 10 seconds. Okay, now you can also control the light here. Thanks for watching. Book a demo meeting with us online agri.com.